In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use your iPhone as a compass. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and basically all we have to do is just search for a compass app which is pre-installed on any iPhone. If you cannot find this app on your home screens and add the app library by dragging it down, you can just use search. To do that, just swipe down to bring up search and then enter compass here. That's how you can easily find that app. However, if it is not displayed here, it means that you manually deleted the app before. In this case, head over to the App Store and then search for compass. That's how you can easily find that app. Keep in mind that this app is designed by Apple, so this is official Apple application to use for navigation on your iPhone, and then that's where you can download it on your device. And when the app is downloaded, just hit open, accept and continue, and it will start showing you north direction here. You can then take your device in hand, you can rotate it in different directions, you can tilt your iPhone in that way, and it will always show you north direction. Just keep in mind that the app does not always show the exact direction to north, and sometimes it shows only an approximate direction. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.